freaking bandit! Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I hope you can see me well enough. I'm only about 15 minutes from shooting light, but it's very cloudy this morning, so it is dark as all get out. And if you can tell, the wind is ripping this morning. We got 20 to 25 to start the morning out of the northwest. Massive kind of push day, and then on top of that, it's goose opener on this side of the state, which we've been waiting for a while, especially after last week's little adventure where we shot those wood ducks. We saw those geese, and I've been known to kill some geese in this area, and I've been known to kill some geese that have some jewelry on them. So today we got Hunter and then my dad and then of course myself, the good old trio for the year it seems like. Trell was gonna come, he felt sick. Hunter's buddy Jared was gonna come, but I guess he had an issue with one of his kids. Family comes first. Absolutely understandable. So, just the three of us this morning. Hopefully we can battle the wind a little bit, and hopefully we can shoot a few birds. I came here last night. The geese got off the lake. They don't roost here. They loaf here. And I didn't see any ducks, but I stepped outside last night with this massive wind and I heard a bunch of specks, so I'm kind of wondering if maybe some birds pushed in with the weather. But if not, with how hard the wind is blowing, I'm tempted to stick it out a little bit this morning because I don't have work, and see if anything comes in that late morning. This week I've been looking back at pictures, and this week is the week that I start shooting mallards in this spot, and a lot of gadwall as well. So I'm hoping some of those birds have shown up or will show up in the next day or two, because it's almost a weekend and we're gonna get after it this weekend. So stay tuned. About 15 minutes from shooting light, should get pretty good. Up front. Kill him. Huh? Kind of look like gaddies to me. What'd you get yourself, gaddy?
What's up?
That one's yours.
Oh, this one is?
Yeah. Kill him.
I'll bet.
I think I got two. Oh, I got myself a greenhead. Big old greenie. That's fatty. I smacked myself a big old greenhead, guys. I got another duck down out there that I gotta go get here in a minute, but I kind of want to allow these first couple minutes to go by before I go get it. I'll have to look back at the footage, but I could have sworn I'd hit 2 on that one group that came by, but I don't know. Maybe it just ducked it. I'm not sure. Up front, up front. Four up front, teal coming right at us. Kill him. I got 2. Yeah, she is. She's gonna be tight. That's a beautiful drake. I think. I'm pretty sure I picked out a drake.
Come on, girl.
I wish. She's gonna be tired before the geese even get here.
Okay, it's still alive.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Huh? Well, that's my 5th duck. I got 5. And this greenhead and gadwall are studs. I got 3 green wings, a Drake Gaddy, and a Drake Mallard. We're doing pretty good. Look at this thing, dude. That's a greenhead. You got triple curl and everything.
No band though.
No band. Man, dude, every time I pick up a mallard that looks like this, I'm just like, please be banded. Like, you pick up just a stud like this. Duck. 2 up high. Drake or mallard and a teal, it looks like. He's just eating it. Kill him, Dad.
No.
I figured I'd let you smack it.
I was on the green that get out, but now it was like
Yeah. I thought she was gonna try and catch it.
Oh, I didn't have my GoPro on.
I got you. I know I'm gonna have to jack some clips from you because my GoPro's been being wonky to me all morning.
No. No, dead bird. Fetch. Good girl.
Oh, we got 3 more up front. Show me that thing. We got a whole bunch up front. Can you show me that thing?
Yes, sir. Can I get all here?
Alright guys, this has been absolutely insane. This north wind kicked the birds in like crazy. Honestly, it's pretty much been non-stop since about 5 minutes after shooting light. A little bit of everything, mallards, green wings, gadwall. It's been absolutely crazy, and they've been doing it right. I love windy days like this because they just absolutely eat it up. I've got 5, Hunter's got 4. We've pretty much got relatively the same lineup. We both have a gadwall, except for his is a hen, I believe. And then we both have Drake mallards, and then just a plethora of green wings. My dad has been getting screwed over by a bush over there with the way the birds have been dumping in. He hasn't really gotten any great shots in, unfortunately. I mean, those last 2 birds that we killed, that green wing and Drake, that mallard that Hunter shot, they were right in front of my dad, but the bush kind of screwed him. And by the time he could shoot them, they were at like 10 feet. I mean, I could have that mallard in particular, I could have walked out and swung at it like a baseball. It was so close. What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
What about what I think?
I don't know. Tell me what you think.
Well, I think is, thank God, I just needed a hunt where it just worked out.
Me and Hunter have been on the struggle bus all season, it seems like.
Just like, it's just one of those hunts where it's just like, yay.
Yeah. you just smile and you don't have much words to say. It's
Nope.
just a smile on your face.
It's like it's all paying off.
Yeah. All these slow hunts finally come together and we get a good one.
I hear geese.
I did too. Kill him.
Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, here.
Good shot, Dad. Oh, come on, Noah. Yeah. Come on, Noah. Get a girl. Get a girl. Good girl! Let's go! Sorry. I hear a bunch more. Coming right at us.
That box shot, baby.
Care if I smack that thing or?
Go ahead.
Hunter doesn't know it yet. I just shot his first one. Well, actually, the reality is that was your goose?
Yeah.
And you better kiss me on the damn mouth. Because they're both banded.
Wait, they're both banded?
They're both banded.
Dude, let me turn my GoPro on.
It's giving you fits. Oh.
Good now, bro? You good?
Holy crap.
Well, guys, a couple geese came in. And I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, it's freaking banded! So we shot 2 banded geese. Jeremy lovingly only had to kayak like 300 yards.
Across
to
the
get to
damn
it.
lake.
And Nala almost died trying to get to it.
Yeah, she was tired.
She was tired, but she did a great job. They're both banded. Banded! Banded! Banded.
Oh,
So it's a pretty phenomenal day.
oh my god.
The Jeremy got it on GoPro.
I did. They want it. Right up front. Right up front. Here, get ready, get ready. Kill him up top. What?
I didn't know
You didn't.
he got
You can see it in the water. What? Did you not see him, Dad?
Huh?
Did you not see him?
Yeah, I did, but I was concentrating on the one that's in the water. We had a single right over there where his bird's at, swimming towards us,
Oh,
watching the hit.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I was talking to
Yeah, I shot that.
Oh, I thought you were the one.
No.
Yeah, that's all right.
I wish you'd seen those because those were in your face.
Yeah, I know. Like I said, I was concentrating on the one down there.
I didn't even know that there was one that swam in. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, I said kill him on top, and like I rose up, pulled the trigger, and I was like waiting for you to shoot because I knew Hunter didn't have much. Get it, Nala.
He was saying something, but I was crouched right here.
Oh. Oh, pretty looking green. Oh yeah. That's my limit too. Yes, Sirski. Yeah, good girl, Nala. Alright.
They didn't make a sound.
Huh?
They didn't even make a sound.
No, they just came out of nowhere. What was sitting over here? What was it?
Drake.
Was it?
Yeah, and it was swimming right
gorgeous
towards
one
us.
too.
How-
So when you were like talking about maybe shooting, it was like flapping, and I thought you were talking about it getting up. No, kind of up.
No, yeah. These three went around, got up, got in the sun, and then just dumped. But I think at the last second they kind of saw you crouched over here.
I was crouched. Well, then, no,
Well,
they
he was
probably
trying
saw
to
me
get up
look
in the
up.
midst of that.
Oh, was he? Because like they were like, I mean, they were
Oh, they were.
locked, and then they kind of started getting up, and I was like, well, we got to shoot them there, and I knew they were right in front of you. I saw this big old sun gun. There's 2 drakes and a hen.
Is that your 6th?
Yeah. 2 Drake Mallards, Drake Gadwall, Drake Greenwing, and 2 hen Greenwings. I will say, I thought today would go well. I didn't think it'd go this well. I thought we'd have more luck on the geese, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, no.
Hard part is I might have to go here a bit.
Yeah.
No, you did so good today. You sure love the taste of geese, don't you? Alright, just like that, our day is over. This was above expectations, I would say. Honestly, I thought we'd do better on the geese today than we ended up really doing. But I will never complain about the ducks that we just shot today, or the absolute show that we got this morning. Mallards, a few gadwall, tons of green wings. So, heck of a day. That man over there, man, the myth, the legend, hunter for Big Red Hunters. We're best friends now because I helped him get a band. I told him that I shoot bands here, and what did we do? We shot bands. So, not gonna complain about that. The only complaint that I have is that I wish we had moved my dad sooner so that he could have shot a few more ducks, but he's over here like, I don't care.
Nope. Glad to be out.
He's just glad to be out. So, plus, as you can tell, the wind is ripping. And we don't have a whole lot of work in the morning, so I think we're gonna go again in the morning somewhere. Not exactly sure where yet, but. And then we got the weekend, so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. Do me a massive favor. Go over to Big Red Hunters, hit the subscribe button over there, because we gotta help that man out. Get him some subscribers. And then, of course, because we hunted together, damn, this wind is brutal, I get the opportunity to do a podcast with Hunter over here. He's been gracious enough to let me be his co-host. You got to check it out. We talk about funny things. We talk about serious things. Political matters sometimes. Big Red Hunters podcast. I don't know. How many episodes are we at?
25.
25. And we also hit 1,000 downloads already. Hunter's been pretty proud about that. He won't stop talking about it.
Yes, sir.
So go over and check that out. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this absolute smash of a morning, because I know we needed it really badly. So that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope to see y'all back on the next one.